for graphing exponential and log functions, the easiest way to do it is just plug in your y equals. So if I plug this equation into my y equals, I just want to type in 2 caret x to get 2 to the x. This interval, -3 less than x, or less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 3, that means I'm just graphing from -3 on my x-axis to +3 on my x-axis. So nothing beyond those two values I'm going to plot. So if I type it into my y equals and then go to second graph, which will give me my table and my values, most of the time they are small, so you just want to make sure you get as close to the value as you can. So the first point is -3 and 0.125, so that's going to be really close to the x-axis. -2 and 0.25. This is not very easy on the iPad, so bear with me. These points don't look very accurate. -1 and 0.5. You should be down lower. 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, and 3, 8. Then I'm just going to connect my line, my dots, and I'm not going to go any further than -3 and +3, so you're done with that one. If I wanted to graph the log of x with a base of 2 equals y, you have to use change of base in order to type this in the calculator. So it's going to be y is equal to, change of base means the log of the big, so log of x, divided by log of the base, so log of 2 is what you need to type in the calculator. When you type it in, you have to make sure you have parentheses around your x and parentheses around your 2. Make sure they're closed, otherwise you're going to have a funny looking graph. So if I plot these points and go to your second graph, which will give you your table, you get the points 1, 0, 2, 1, 3, 1.5, 8, 5, 4, 2, 5, 2.3, 6, 2.5, 7, 2.8, 8, 3, and it's just going to keep on going up very slowly. This word asymptote is a line that the graph will never cross. For log equations, that line is usually the y-axis, which is x is equal to 0. For exponential, meaning you have a variable in your exponent, that line is usually the x asymptote, or the x-axis, which is y is equal to 0. If I draw that, log equations get extremely close to the y-axis, but will never cross it, and you need to make sure you're including that part of the graph, even though on your table it's not going to give you those values unless you change your table setting.